Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the best outdoor griddles for 2023. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use way to cook outdoors, then a griddle is a great option. Griddles can be used to cook a variety of dishes, from breakfast to dinner, and they're also relatively easy to clean up. I've tested out a bunch of different griddles over the past few months, and I've narrowed it down to my top 5 picks. So, without further ado, here are the best outdoor griddles of 2023. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. The Country Smokers CSGDL0590. The Highland 4-burner portable griddle is a large and versatile griddle that is perfect for cooking for a crowd. It has 597 square inches of cooking surface, so you can cook everything from burgers and pancakes to fajitas and stir-fries. The griddle is made from stainless steel and has a pre-seasoned surface that makes it easy to clean. It also has 4 independent burners that provide even heat distribution, so you can cook multiple items at once without overcooking anything. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Country Smokers CSGDL0590. The Highland 4-burner portable griddle. Pros: large cooking surface, even heat distribution, pre-seasoned surface, portable, easy to clean. Cons: can be heavy, not as durable as some other griddles. Some users have reported that the burners can be uneven overall. The Country Smokers CSGDL0590. The Highland 4-burner portable griddle is a great option for those who are looking for a large and versatile griddle that is easy to use and clean. It is a bit heavy, but it is still portable enough to take to the campground or the beach. If you are looking for a griddle that can cook for a crowd, then this is a great option. Here are some additional details about the Country Smokers CSGDL0590. The Highland 4-burner portable griddle. Dimensions: 42.2 liters. x 21 watts x 31.2 h. Weight: 53.9 pounds. Fuel type: propane burner. BTU: 44,000 BTU. Cooking surface. Number 4. The Pit Boss PB336 GS 2-burner portable flat top griddle is a great option for those who want a versatile and portable cooking surface. It has a large cooking area of 289 square inches, so you can cook for a crowd. The griddle is made of 3 mm thick steel, which is pre-seasoned with organic oil for easy cleanup. It also has 2 independently controlled 9,000 BTU stainless steel burners, so you can cook different foods at different temperatures. The griddle is also portable, so you can easily take it with you camping, tailgating, or to the beach. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Pit Boss PB336 GS 2-burner portable flat top griddle. Pros: large cooking area, pre-seasoned griddle surface, independently controlled burners, portable, easy to clean. Cons: can be heavy to move, not as durable as some other griddles. Burners can be difficult to adjust overall. The Pit Boss PB336 GS 2-burner portable flat top griddle is a great option for those who want a versatile and portable cooking surface. It is perfect for cooking for a crowd or taking with you on the go. Here are some additional features of the griddle. It has a push and turn ignition system for easy startup. The griddle is made of black powder coated steel for durability. It has 4 adjustable non-skid feet to keep the griddle stable on any surface. The griddle comes with a cover for protection when not in use. The Pit Boss PB336 GS 2-burner portable flat. Number 3. The Royal Gourmet GD401C 4-burner portable propane flat top gas grill and griddle combo is a versatile and easy-to-use grill that can be used for both grilling and griddling. It features 4 burners that provide a total of 48,000 BTUs, giving you plenty of power to cook a variety of foods. The grill also has a large cooking surface with a 292 square inch flat top and a 314 square inch griddle, so you can cook for a crowd. The GD401C is also portable, making it easy to take to the park, the beach, or your next camping trip. The legs fold down for compact storage, and the grill comes with 4 locking casters for easy transport. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Royal Gourmet GD401C. Pros: versatile grilling and griddling capabilities, large cooking surface, portable design, easy to assemble, affordable price. Cons: the griddle can be difficult to clean, the grill can be a bit heavy, the burners can be unevenly heated. Overall, the Royal Gourmet GD401C is a good option for those looking for a versatile and portable grill. It's not the best grill on the market, but it's a good value for the price. Here are some additional details about the GD401C. It has a stainless steel control panel with 4 large knobs for easy temperature control. The grill also features an automatic ignition system, so you can start it up with the push of a button. It comes with a grease tray and grease cup to collect excess grease and residues, making cleanup easy. Number 2. The Traeger Grill's Flatrock Flat Top Griddle is a gas-powered grill with folding shelves that is perfect for cooking a variety of foods. The griddle is made of cast iron, which provides even heat distribution and makes it easy to sear, grill, or sauté your food. The grill also has 2 burners, so you can cook multiple items at once. The folding shelves provide additional workspace, so you can easily prep your food before cooking. Here are some of the features of the Traeger Grill's Flatrock Flat Top Griddle. Cast iron griddle for even heat distribution, 2 burners for cooking multiple items at once, folding shelves for additional workspace, removable grease tray for easy cleanup, durable construction. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Traeger Grill's Flatrock Flat Top Griddle. Pros: even heat distribution, easy to clean, durable construction, versatile cooking surface, folding shelves for additional workspace. Cons: can be difficult to control the heat, not as portable as some other grills, can be expensive. Overall, the Traeger Grill's Flatrock Flat Top Griddle is a great option for those looking for a versatile and durable grill. It is perfect for cooking a variety of foods, and the folding shelves provide additional workspace. However, it can be difficult to control the heat, and it is not as portable as some other grills. Here are some additional details about the Traeger Grill's Flatrock Flat Top Griddle. Dimensions: 45 x 24 x 36 inches. Weight: 90 pounds. Burner capacity: 20,000 BTUs. Fuel type: propane. Warranty: 3. Number 1. The Blackstone 36 cooking station is a large, versatile griddle that is perfect for outdoor cooking. It has 4 independently controlled burners, giving you the ability to cook multiple dishes at once. The griddle top is made of thick, rolled steel, which provides excellent heat retention and distribution. It also has a rear grease management system to make cleanup easy. Here are some of the features of the Blackstone 36 cooking station: 4 independently controlled burners, each with 15,000 BTUs, 768 square inches of cooking surface, thick, rolled steel griddle top, rear grease management system, built-in cutting board, garbage holder, side shelf, powder coated steel frame, easy to assemble. The Blackstone 36 cooking station is a great choice for anyone who loves to cook outdoors. It is versatile enough to cook a variety of dishes, and it is easy to clean up. If you are looking for a large, high-quality griddle, the Blackstone 36 cooking station is a great option. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Blackstone 36 cooking station. Pros: large cooking surface, independently controlled burners, thick, rolled steel griddle top, rear grease management system, built-in cutting board, garbage holder, side shelf, easy to assemble. Cons: can be heavy and bulky, not as portable as some other griddles, can be expensive. Overall, the Blackstone 36 cooking station is a great choice for anyone who loves to cook outdoors. It is versatile, easy to use, and easy to clean. If you are looking for a large, high-quality griddle, the Blackstone 36 cooking station is a great option. Here are some additional details about the Blackstone 36 cooking station. Dimensions: 62.5 x 22 x 36. Weight: 75 pounds. Fuel: propane. Burner BTU: 15,000 per burner. Cooking surface: 700.